The homes that we create are beautiful. Once the house has the blueprint and that's finalized, that's really where I come in. I get to really bring those dreams and create that space and bring it into a reality for our clients. People are always showing me pictures of this is what I like, this is what I like. So I look at the things that they have picked and that they like, and then we try to just kind of bring them all together. You know, our passion here in this design group is to bring all those things together and to create that space where people love to come home. So we really try to visualize the space for our clients. We provide just different 3D renderings that really they can almost walk into their house visually and see what's going to be around them. That they can just come, walk in the door and just feel that sense of peace